you know, we gave it everything we had.
Kangre Slovenija danes?
Faster than light, here comes the night. Tomorrow is now. You flow through my veins, inside me you'll stay. There is no doubt. Here we come. No limit, no sky. Straight into love. We'll break through the dawn and light the world up from the sky when we collide. Straight into love and never let go.
Of course, I'm disappointed. You know, we gave it everything we had.
Turning the tide with eyes open wide. There's no stopping now. With all that we have, we stand on the edge before we.
Maestro is amazing. You know, I gave it 100% on that stage. What can I say? It was just the way it is, and I still had so much fun. I still enjoyed myself so much. I'm so really honored for this opportunity and this honor. So, what else can I say? It is what it is.
We'll light the world up from the sky into the night. We found the place.
I'm very disappointed. I really am. I think this is a great song and a great team, and I wish we could have, obviously to the final, but we did our best, and we have to remember that.
This is the best performance of everything. So at least, you know, I gave my best the night of the big show.
Ful dobro, res. V bistvu, malo mi je žal, da ne moram predstavljati slovenske zastave, ampak super.
Niko nije prošao svih naših zemalja, ne možemo vjerovati. I ne znam da se ja najgore osjećam od ovih svih. Ja sam bio totalno uvjeren u prolazak i ne znam, ovo mi je totalni šok da nismo prošli.
Bitno je da sam ispunila svoje očekivanja, to su da budemo dobri na sceni, tako da nisam razočarana sad. Nije sve ni u našoj moći kao što sam i ranije govorila.
We've done our best.
Your beautiful song.
Yeah.